This exercise is called the deep ab exercise. All you need to perform this exercise is a ball, a hand towel, a bath towel, and a balloon. The deepest layer of abdominal tissue that you have serves to stabilize the low back because of its attachments to the connective tissue that attaches directly to the low back. It also serves to help you exhale against resistance, as is the case when blowing up a balloon. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to perform this exercise. So what you do is you use the hand towel for your head, just to make sure you're comfortable, and then you use the bath towel to put under your tailbone, not your low back. So this will allow your low back to relax. Take the ball and put it between your knees and have your legs relaxed against a wall or up on a chair. Then you'll just take and blow up the balloon. Take the balloon, put it in your mouth, and then blow it up completely before letting any air out. You want to make sure that your hips are completely relaxed during the whole process. Once you're done, just let the air out of the balloon and do it again between 5 and 10 times.